Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 12. My name is Gaia, this is Merkaba, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days to give our bodies an opportunity to relax, unwind, release tension, and nourish our nervous system. If you have just stumbled upon this video, that is perfectly fine. You can do just this video on its own. However, if you want to do the full challenge, I will link everything down below. And today we'll begin lying on our stomachs, doing a nice little quad stretch. So just make your way onto your stomach. I have Merkaba still here blocking the camera. Bend at the elbows and create a little shelf for your forehead to rest on. And then bend into the right knee and grab a hold of that right foot, bringing it close in to your glute, feeling the stretch in your thigh. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed here, and we'll stay like this for a few minutes. Gently release your leg and just switch sides. So bending into the left knee and grabbing a hold of the left foot, bringing it close into your glute as is available to you. Relaxing through the shoulders and sinking against your mat. Gently release the pose and press back into a child's pose. You can do the closed leg variation where you fold over your knees, or do one with your knees apart, big toes together. Walk your arms out in front of you and rest your forehead to the mat. Gently begin to roll yourself back up. Come into kneeling. Stay here for a moment or so. And when you're ready, you can make your way into Savasana. Lying down on your back, letting your feet flop, Your arms rest down by your side with the palms facing up. And just settle here. Breathe, relax, enjoy, and integrate. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe do a no motion with your head, just rolling the cheekbones side to side. You can take a stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto one side. And with the help of your hands, press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Nice tall spine. Place your palms together at the heart and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, allow your day to unfold in your mind. And as it unfolds, see what stands out as something that you can be grateful for, that you can celebrate, maybe be proud of, or appreciate. Just find something that evokes one of those feelings, or perhaps all of them at once, within your body. And with the next breaths, just tap even deeper into that gratitude, appreciation, pride, celebration. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.